Money transfer apps lets you transfer money quickly, safely, and conveniently without having any issues. And with the numerous money transfer apps in the world right now, with some very popular ones like PayPal, Venmo, Zelle, and Cash App, you can choose from this large list and get which one favors you more. Well, without any more waste of time, we will get started with our video proper. Today we'll be talking mainly about PayPal and Cash App to show you the simple steps to help you send money from PayPal to Cash App. Sit tight, we will be back after the short intro. To send money from PayPal to Cash App, you will just have to link your PayPal to your debit card or bank account associated with your Cash App account. This will send the cash directly from PayPal to Cash App. Well, let's get started with the main steps. 1. Log into your PayPal account and add the debit card you have linked to your Cash App. 2. After that, PayPal will verify the link by sending to you a very small deposit to confirm its validity. 3. After that, check your bank statement to confirm the small deposit which verifies your Cash App debit card or bank account. 4. After that, go to the Transfer to Bank option in your PayPal and select the debit card or bank account associated to your Cash App account. Then put in the amount and then confirm the transfer. This should be okay since you'll just have to wait for the confirmation message. Well, for a more detailed explanation, you can quickly click on the link in the description below and read from our written article. And that's it for today. Don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe and then hit the bell for frequent notifications from this channel.